What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to download WhatsApp in your Windows laptop. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open Microsoft Store in your Windows 11 laptop or PC and then search WhatsApp like this. It will show up the first, and once you see that, click on Get button and wait. So as you guys can see here, it's getting files ready, so we're gonna wait for the installation. Once it's done, go ahead and click open. So we're gonna click open now, and all you need to do is to scan the QR code from your phone, and you can use it without any issues. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please share with your friends, subscribe on our official YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit the official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thank you again. See you on the next video. Bye.